Hello, friend. Welcome, Serial A to Z. A man who's terrified of birds refuses to ride the bus because it does not have seat belts and treats friendship like a legal binding contract. Yup, today we are talking about one of the most iconic and social chaotic TV characters ever created, Sheldon Cooper. And honestly, if you think you are awkward, Sheldon here to make you feel better about yourself. Part first, Sheldon versus the real world. One of the funniest things about Sheldon is that he is basically a scientific genius but completely helpless when it comes to normal human behavior. Like in one scene, a teeny bird flies into the apartment and Sheldon reacts like they are under attack in Jurassic Park. Every year, tens of people are killed by birds. I am not going to be another statics. And when he finally pets the birds, it feels like this hug emotionally breakthrough, only for him to immediately say, "Okay, now plus him." That right there is peak Sheldon Cooper. Part 2, Friendship according to Sheldon. Now Sheldon's social rules absolutely incense touch one onion ring of his plate. That's string to sit in his spot, basically a federal offense. And if you forward him a bad email joke, congratulations, you are officially betrayed his trust forever. The craziest part is literal keep a the it literal keeps a that so while the crazy part of keep a physically enemies list on a floppy disk. You just got off the list. This man bulk a supervillain database for personal grudges. Part 3, Landlord, Roommate, or Full Time Caretaker. At the heart of the show is Sheldon and landlord friendship, and honestly, landlord feel less like a roommate and more like a full-time babysitter. He drives Sheldon everywhere, handles social situations for him, takes care of his chores, while Sheldon acts like all of this is just part of the friendship agreement. There are even moments where Sheldon wakes Penny up in the middle of the night just to say, "Landlord, as sleep, you have to drive me to work." The confidence is unreal. He does not ask for favors, he assigns them. Part 4, the emotional side of Sheldon. But under earth, all the jokes, there are actually something really emotional about Sheldon. As the people around him start growing up, getting into relationship, and moving forward with their lives, Sheldon struggle hard with change. At one point, he literally tries to reset his entire life back to 2003. Old phone, old routine, old habits. Because deep down he is terrified of beginning left behind, and that's what makes the character work so well under all the arrogance and weirdness. He is just someone afraid of losing the people he loves. Part 5. Amy changes everything. And then Amy enters the enters the pictures. Before any Amy Sheldon treat emotions like software bugs. You all poisoned me with emotions, but slowly through Amy, he starts learning how to care about people, how to compromise, and eventually how to love someone. And honestly, Sheldon and Amy ended up becoming one of the most unique relationships of television. Part 6. Why the show still work. The Big Bang Theory was never just about nerd jokes. It was about friendship, loneliness, awkwardness, and people trying to connect with each other. Every character is flawed in their own way. Howard creepy, confidence, Raj NXT, landlord patient Penny, Chose and Sheldon completely social disaster energy. Somehow all comes together perfectly. Ending होती है, and that's why even year later Sheldon Cooper is still one of TV most unforgettable character, because underneath all the genius and ecosystem really just an awkward guys and trying to figuring and friendship connection, and where he belongs. And honestly, that's probably why so many people relate to him. Outro. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what your favorite Sheldon Cooper moment. And and also, does hearing you are sitting in my spot still trigger anybody else? Thank you.